Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and make more of your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. So today I'm going to give you an update on the Christmas challenge and showing you how I'm doing. But do you guys know it's now 11 weeks since we started our Christmas challenge? Please comment below with how you're doing on your Christmas challenge. Have you saved the amount of money? Have you been able to stick to the Christmas challenge? What obstacles are you facing? Because I know with coronavirus at the moment, it's really making it difficult for all of us. So let's see if we can give each other's ideas and tips. So please comment below any tips you've got to try and help save money as well. So for today's bonus, at the end of the video, I will show you what I've done to save £100 while upgrading an area. So this is my Christmas challenge sheet. As you can see, I've got 6 ticks. Now those ticks are for all the money I've already banked. And now we're going to have a look at all the other ones so I can tick them off and bank that money as well. So today, again, I'll get my daughter Cindy to help me count the money and make sure we've got everything ready for the ones we've already ticked off. Okay, so Cindy is going to help us count again. So the first one that we are looking for is the £22. So Cindy, do we have £22? That's £2 and a 20. So that's 22. And the next one we are looking for is the 26. So Cindy, do we have £26?
Yes.
Okay. That's 1, 6, and 20. So that gives you 26. So let's put all of that together. So the next one we will be looking for is the 39. Okay, Cindy, do we have £39?
Yes.
So that's 20. That's 30. 32. 37. And 39. So that is the 39 we need. Okay, so the next one is 48. Okay, Cindy, do we have 48?
Yes, we do.
Okay. So that's 20, 40, 45, and that's a 146, 47, 48, because that's a 2. Okay, so let's move those out of the way again. And the next one is 49. Cindy, do we have another 49 there?
Yes, we do.
Okay. So that's 20, 40, 45, sorry. And that's a 2, so that's 47. And that's a 1, so that's 48 and 49. Great. So that is all of it counted together. So that is all the money we've already banked, plus the 22, 26, 39, and the 48 and 49 that we've added in. So Cindy, if we calculated all of this together, which you've already done, how much have we saved for Christmas?
We have saved £430.
That's great. That means we are almost halfway. Yay! We'll have a nice Christmas. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So how did we save £100 by cleaning up an area? Now we've got a nice picnic table outside, and in some places you could see this wood wanted to start going green. It was starting to dry out. So we had two options. Or we leave it as it is and end up throwing it away in about 6 months' time, or we clean it up and give it a new lease of life so that it can last for another couple of years. because it's not rotten yet, so it's all still savable. So what we did is we took the whole picnic table apart, cleaned off all the old varnish, and then painted it with a new varnish. We did give it 4 layers, so to make sure that it's nice and smooth, because the first 2 layers, basically the wood took all of it in, and it didn't even feel like we painted it at all after the first 2. So we gave it an extra 2 just to make sure that it's nicely protected, and then it will last another couple of years for us. And as you can see, it turned up really great, and it saved us a lot of money, because if you go buy these in the shop, before you even have a lick of paint on it, it can be anything from £100 to £400, £500. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye!